What is an altar in modern paganism and how do you assemble one? An altar, in the context of modern paganism, is more than just a collection of objects. It's a personal sacred space, often used for ritual worship and meditation. It's a place where the tangible meets the intangible, where we connect with the divine, the elements, and our deepest selves. Now, are you ready to create your own spiritual nexus? Let's dive into the fascinating world of pagan altars and learn how to assemble one. A pagan altar is more than just a table with objects, it's a representation of one's spiritual journey. At the heart of this sacred space, you'll often find common elements that hold powerful symbolism. Candles, for instance, are used to invoke the element of fire, representing passion and transformation. Crystals, on the other hand, are conduits of Earth's energy, embodying healing and balance. Statues of deities or spiritual guides serve as focal points for worship and meditation, while elements of nature like feathers, stones, or flowers are often included to honor the earth and the cycles of life. Incense can also be used to purify the space and invite positive energies. However, the beauty of a pagan altar lies in its ability to be personalized. Incorporate items that hold personal significance to you, that resonate with your unique spiritual path. Remember, there's no right or wrong way to set up your altar. It's all about what resonates with you and your spiritual journey. Now that we've covered the basics, let's move on to the practical part, assembling your own pagan altar. Step 1. Choose a location. This could be anywhere in your home where you feel most connected to your spiritual energy. It could be a quiet corner of a room, a windowsill, or even a dedicated space in your garden. Step 2. Select your elements. These are personal to you and reflect your spiritual beliefs. They could include candles, crystals, statues, or even natural elements like flowers or stones. Step 3. Arrange your elements. Remember, this is your sacred space. Arrange everything in a manner that feels right to you, that resonates with your energy. The final step, consecrate your altar. This can be done by lighting a candle, saying a prayer, or simply meditating by your altar. It's all about infusing your space with your energy and intention. And there you have it, your very own pagan altar, a sacred space that reflects your spiritual journey. We've delved into the significance of a pagan altar in modern paganism, a sacred space that facilitates connection with the divine and self-expression. We've identified common elements found on it, each symbolizing various aspects of life and spirituality. And we didn't just stop there, we walked through a comprehensive guide on assembling your very own pagan altar. So next time someone asks you what an altar in modern paganism is and how to assemble one, you'll be ready to answer. Thank you for watching. Please consider liking and subscribing if you are interested in learning more about ancient and modern paganism and its practices. Until next time, continue exploring your spiritual path.